Since the beginning, Jeep's goal was always to create the best off-roading car, whether it was during World War II, with their first iteration of the Jeep. With over 4 iterations later, we're going to really take a look at what they've created. I'm Daniel, and this is Car Quickie. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, make sure to check out some of my other videos, and comment down below if you guys want to see more reviews, whether it's Jeeps, trucks, or off-roading vehicles. One of my favorite parts about the Jeep is actually its nod to its history, with the Jeep icons spread out through the vehicle. As you can see, here, 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 here. Obviously, as we can't make a video about a Jeep without talking about one of the key features of it, which is actually taking the top off. As you can see, we have a hardtop option, though if you do want one, there are 3 different options including this, which is the soft top, the hardtop, and even a retractable top with the hardtop around it. With this one, the top is broken up into 3 pieces, and as you can see, you can easily take off the driver and the passenger side top. In this last piece, which we won't be taking off, it's a whole section which comes off as easy in one piece. Another cool thing is that Jeep actually gives you a bag and the tools that you'll need to take the roof off. With the new facelift to this Wrangler, you can also see that you have the option of the LED package, offering a new daytime running lights and headlights. And while we're here, it's also interesting to note that there's actually isn't a hood latch inside the vehicle. As you can see, there's 2 latches on the outside, and all you have to do is pop those 2, and then you can pull the hood way up. Now if we go inside, you're going to notice one of my favorite features of the new Wrangler, and it's that the armrest cup holders do not stay up. So if you're going to go through McDonald's and you have many cups and need more room, you can set them in the back, as it's always going to be waiting down for you. And that's all we have for this one today. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new around here. Make sure to join the Discord with the link down below if you guys want to keep talking after the videos and talk about what you guys want to see in the future videos and uploads, or just talk about games, whatever. That's all we have for this one, like I said, so you guys have a great one.